Yo guys, it's your boy Babusha, and today I'm back with another Mark and yeah. So yeah, this is gonna be a pretty quick video. Yeah. So here's Anakin Skywalker just holding his lightsaber. This one's like the dirtiest chrome saber I had, so I just gave it to him. But yeah. Here's a trooper like mounting like a machine gun. I actually made this by accident. Like I was just messing around with pieces and I just thought of a good design. And yeah, I mean it could be bad, but yeah, it looks pretty decent for a starter. And yeah, he just mounts that turret and keeps guard. Here's a motor. Here are two troopers patrolling the area. This one's got a black face. Yeah. And here we have a 352nd trooper, kind of leading the patrol. And he's the only one who I'd say has a DC-15. Right, so that kind of makes him different. Close range versus long range. So yeah, he's basically kind of like an officer. But yeah, here we got another one with a DC-15A. Super detailed. Love the gun and the figure. Just look at that detail. Focus. Just look at that. Perfect. But yeah, the whole setup is a mess. Like there's droids, my gloves, there's mess everywhere. Like I can't even be bothered to clean it up because I know my sister's just gonna come up here and tear it up. Like she just came up here recently and put this Lego City minifigure up here. Bye. That's gone. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this small little video, and yeah, wish to see you all soon.